Chris with Rowe Dental Laboratory. Here at Rowe, we have a mantra of meet you where you are. Now that can mean a lot of different things, specifically around the equipment you have in your office, or maybe the technology you're integrating, or even when there's a crisis that comes up in your office. Now, as far as the technology and the equipment, we have design services we can help you with. If something goes down in your office, we can fabricate it here and maybe you finish it in your office. So again, we're trying to meet you where you are on your technology journey and on your vertical integration with equipment in your office. Now, on that same note, we can meet you where you are and help you out when something comes up in the office where there's a rush situation, patient comes in a crisis, and they need something quick because they have an anniversary, a wedding, a cruise, a vacation. We've heard it all, you've heard it all. It's always one of those excuses as to why they need their restoration fast. Or maybe something happened where something wasn't submitted to the lab. Maybe this person thought they were doing it, the other person thought the other person was doing it. Who knows what happened, but now you're down to the wire and need something quick. We have you covered. We can meet you where you are in these tight situations as well. I just was able to help out a doctor where they had called and they forgot to submit their case for a final zirconia. Now, in the past, zirconia typically takes us 8 to 10 days to get that final zirconia fabricated, and then we ship it out. But we have a brand new zirconia process now where we can get you a full arch final zirconia in 48 hours or less. In this full arch scenario, we were able to get this prosthesis fabricated and out the door in less than 48 hours. Honestly, that's unheard of for a dental lab to get an aesthetic final full arch zirconia out the door in 48 hours or less. We realize there's a definite need for this type of service in those final full arch prosthetics. I mean, patients paid a bunch of money. They want their teeth as fast as possible. And now we have a solution for you. And again, maybe it's a situation where someone forgot to submit something was overlooked in the lab, and now we're down to the wire. Well, guess what? We can get that prosthesis fabricated and shipped back out to you within 48 hours. So whether it's final full arch zirconia, design services for you to print in office, maybe digital dentures, digital designs, whatever it might be, we here at Rowe are here to meet you where you are and help you solve that little situation that may have come up and you need something fast. If you have any questions about our design services, expedited services, or especially our 48-hour or less final full arch zirconia, give us a call here at Rowe and we would love to help you out, meet you where you are, and get you out of a tough situation. Thank you.